Hi, this is Marcy with Marcy Coate Designs. I'm pleased to announce the first project by one of my creative team members, Tabatha Haynes of Haystack Creations. This video footage is from her YouTube channel, and I highly recommend that you subscribe to Tabatha's channel because she has lots of creative ideas for junk journals and other crafts. In the description of this video, I have pasted all of the links to Tabatha's channel, store, and the various products of mine that she used to make this journal. I have also made notations on the video itself so that you know which of my products she has used for the various items that she has made. If you like what you see or if you have any questions, please leave a comment on this video.